Hey all you cool cats and kittens, my name's Ashley West and I am sommelier at home. Today we're talking about the large cats of the wine world, cougar juice. Just kidding, we actually don't call it that anymore because rosé is kind of a serious thing and I think that we can start taking it a little more seriously. Today I'm going to be going through 4 rosés from BC, all around 20 bucks, and we're going to explore the world of wine together. But first, cheers. So I'm going to explain a little bit how it's made, and there's a few different methods. There's the old blush, mix some red, mix some white. If you're, end of the night and you've had a little bit too much to drink, fill your boots, go for it. But this isn't really how we make it. Usually how it's made is you pick red grapes. So the red grapes are soaked on their own skin from a few hours to a few days. What's happening is that all the color and the flavor is extracting out of the skins and it is going into the juice. So after that, it is pressed and then it's turned into wine. Rosé is also made as a byproduct for trying to make a more concentrated red wine. This is called the saignée method, and essentially it means to bleed off the juice. So a lot of the time when people are making a Pinot Noir, it's a thin-skinned grape. The winemaker is trying to make it more concentrated. So what they do is they bleed off some of the juice. It's a super, super light color, almost rose gold in color. And they make a rosé out of it as a byproduct of trying to make a more concentrated wine. As I've said in my other videos, it is vital to be supporting locally right now, especially in the BC wine world. You know, there's a lot of small producers and we can find some gems that aren't going to break the bank. So I really hope that you enjoy this. Please give it a like and a subscribe, and it'll just keep me going so I can make more videos for you and give you more tips and tricks from a professional. From home, of course, because I'm a responsible human being obeying the rules. Cheers. All right, friends, first up, we're going to Vancouver Island and we're going to the Cowichan Valley. This is Blue Grouse, 100% Gamay. This is their 2018. They're just releasing their 2019 now, which has a little bit of Pinot Noir in it as well. But this is part of their Quill series. So one thing that I love about Blue Grouse is that they want to be stewards of the land. They want to leave the land better than when they found it. This has quite a bit of body, strawberry, rhubarb, and then this interesting kind of savory note that I find that comes from Gamay, especially from BC. Small producer from Vancouver Island, around 20 bucks. Come on, no brainer. So wine number 2, we're heading over to the Okanagan Valley. We are going to Culloden, just below Penticton, when you're heading down to Okanagan Falls. This is the Black Market Omerta 2019. The color on this wine is absolutely beautiful, coming from the Syrah grape. And the nose, it is really bright. It is really fresh, kind of grassy, actually. And it has this like beautiful rhubarb, sour cherries. Right now, Black Market is offering free shipping on 6 or more bottles. This is sitting around $24 a bottle, and you can find it in some private liquor stores as well. Speaking of rosés that keep you guessing, this actually has been probably one of the most confusing, amazing rosés to me because this color is this like rose gold, just absolutely beautiful light. I thought that it was a Pinot Gris maybe. It turns out that it's 70% Cab Franc, 30% Syrah. And this is from Winemaker's Cut in Oliver. So very different from the Black Market Rosé that we just tried from Culloden. This is down in Oliver, and oh my goodness, it's a very similar color, but this is bursting with stone fruit, with peaches. You wouldn't necessarily expect it by the color. So pro tip, don't always think that the color is going to be indicative of the flavor. This is our off-dry example. If any kind of Thai food, Indian food, I would definitely recommend this. They are doing such a great job. I just love when I can find a wine that surprises me, and this definitely surprised me. This basically smells like summer in a glass. Whew! On to wine number 4. This is probably the darkest in color out of all the rosés. This is 100% Cab Franc rosé from Bordertown. Looking at the color, you expect it to be, a little bit more on the heavy hitting side, especially in comparison to something like the winemaker's cut. If you can see the difference between those two, you expect it to be, a little bit on the sweeter side, but it actually is really light and dry. You can just tell it's going to be juicy and tasty. Cabernet Franc is a grape that thrives in BC. We're seeing it more and more, and as a rosé, it offers this like strawberry, rhubarb, watermelon, bell peppers. It's not super sweet. You're gonna find in the description all the ways that these wineries are trying to get wine to your door for free or for very cheap. Okay, there you have it. We've gone through 4 rosés from BC, and let's recount. Number 1, Blue Grouse Quill, 100% Gamay. Number 2, we've moved on to the Okanagan, and we are in Caledon, talking about the Black Market 100% Syrah Omerta. Probably the most surprising for me is the winemaker's cut from Oliver, 70% Cab Franc, 30% Syrah, just off dry, spicy food. Let's do it. Get involved. And wine number 4, Border Town, Cab Franc Rosé. Absolutely love their full Cab Franc, sitting around $20, but their Cab Franc Rosé is beautiful as well. I hope that you all found this of value today. Please tell me what your favorite rosés are for around $20 to $25 from BC. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this of value today, please like and subscribe. Okay, cheers friends.